Right, sorry, my video shut off again. So, question 10, you need to remember your formula triangle for mass, density and volume, which is this one here. You're asked in question 1 to work out volume, so you need to cover up your V and you're left with M over D. So we've got V equals mass divided by density. So your mass, you're told, the mass of the bike is 9,450. And you're told it's made of aluminium, so from the table you can see that aluminium has got a density of 2.7, so you just need to do 9,450 divided by 2.7, which gives me an answer of 3,500, and it's in grams per centimetre cubed, so your answer is going to be in centimetres cubed. Okay, part B. Bethan has a cycle frame that is identical to Owen's cycle frame, however her cycle frame is made from carbon fibre. Calculate the mass of this frame. So this time we're calculating the mass, so if we cover M, we want V times D. Hers is made from carbon fibre. If they are identical, that means that they're going to have the same volume. So the volume is 3,500, the same as part A. And the density of carbon fibre is 1.6, so I've just got to do 3,500 times by 1.6, which gives me an answer of 5,600, and that's going to be in grams because the density is given in grams per centimetre cubed. Okay, last question. You're told that the Eiffel Tower is 324 metres tall. Visitors climb up to the level 2 viewing platform using the internal steps. Which of the following is a reasonable estimate for the number of steps from the ground to the level 2 viewing platform? Well, if the whole height of this is 324, I would say, looking at the estimating, that is about a third of the total height. So this height you're estimating, if it's a third, is about 108 meters. Height of a step, if you're estimating, is probably about 20 centimeters, something like that. So how many 20 centimeters go into 108, or would be 108 meters would be 1,800 centimeters. So how many 20s go into that? So roughly you can use your calculator to work that out. That's giving me an answer of about 540, so the one that's closest to that is roughly about 650. Okay, last question. It's asking us for the angle of elevation. It's given us the angle of elevation here, which is this angle there, which we'll just call X. So this is a right angle triangle. You're asked to find an angle, so it's going to be trigonometry. So the first thing you need to do, your right angle would be there. Label your sides. So this is your opposite, this is your adjacent, this is your hypotenuse. Write down SOHCAHTOA. Tick off what you're given and what you want to find. So what's that? Tick off what you're given. So we're given O and we're given E. So we're going to be using this formula here because it's got two ticks. So tan of the angle, so it's tan of X, is equal to the opposite, which is 324, over the adjacent, which is 800. We need to get X, so we need to do the opposite of tan, which is inverse tan. So tan to the -1 of 324 over 800, and we can work that out on our calculator, sticking in exactly like that. So to do that, we press Shift tan, press our fraction button, 324 over 800, close our brackets, and then we get an answer of 22 degrees to the nearest degree.